Hi, my name's Charlie, and I'm gonna put this tow truck without a body into a bucket truck, which this is how you're gonna do it. First, I'm gonna wrap the chain around, which that is pretty hard because it sometimes falls down, and you might need to first do that, and then that will, and then you're gonna take it around and put it like that. Then you're gonna do the same to the front. The same to the front, which is symmetrical. Symmetrical means that you're gonna, and then I'm gonna strap that around, and then do that. So stop. And then I didn't take the grill off so I could strap it like that. But I'm gonna do that maybe after the video. Maybe I could take the bumper off, and then maybe I could do that at the end of the video, or maybe never do it. And I think I could strap that around, but I got the chain messed up, so I'm gonna try this again. So the video I'm gonna strap it like that. I'm gonna shut it like that.
And I have tested them out. They are pretty bad. This is 5 attack damage, and they really aren't that good. But I guess we'll do a quick test for it. I think that if you go in the water, it should probably give you nausea or something like that. Okay, so we got a tree right here. I'm gonna.
Mom, can I? No, the video's still on.
They're all the same blocks. Let me chop a real tree.
Mom, the video's still on. It's not off. It's on.
I also have myself a shovel. We'll dig down and get down to stone and try to find that.
And I'm going to put the tires on, so the video's not going to be finished until the tires are on. Yeah! By the way, today's Christmas. That's just my brother. Big brother! He said baby brother. Big brother! Stop it. Okay, now I'm just going to put the bucket on. And that's going to be... Bye, everybody.